After purchasing our software, we will provide you with the login details on your registered email ID. Using those details, you can easily log into the system. Now, in part 2, we will cover the other parts of the hospital management system. First, we will go to the front office tab. In the call logs column, you can see all incoming and outgoing calls made from the hospital desk. To add a new call log, click on the action button and then select new call log. Here, you can fill in details like call type, follow-up date, name, phone number, and then click on save. From the visitors column, you can see the visitor list along with the purpose of their visit. You can add new visitors by clicking on the action button, selecting new visitor, filling in the details, and clicking save. From the postal receives column, you can see records of any items or documents received by the hospital. To add a new entry, click on the action button, select new received, fill in the details, and click save. In the postal dispatch column, you can see documents or items dispatched from the hospital. To add a new dispatch entry, click on the action button, select new dispatch, fill in the details, and click save. Now we will go to the front CMS tab. Here, you can manage how your hospital's landing page looks. You can customize sections like home, about us, appointment, terms and conditions, and more, according to your preference. Next, we will go to the hospital charges tab. Here, you can see Doctor OPD charges. To add OPD charges for a doctor, click on the New Charge button, select the doctor's name, enter the OPD charge, and click Save. In the charge category section, you can see different charge categories. You can create new categories by clicking on the New Charge category button. In the charges section, you can see OPD charges based on the categories you created. To add a new charge, click on the New Charge button, select the charge type, choose the charge category, enter the code and description, and then click Save. Now we will go to the IPD and OPD tab. In the IPD patients column, you can see patient details such as assigned doctor, admission date, bed number, and bill status. You can add a new IPD patient by clicking on the New IPD Patient button and filling in the required details. Similarly, in the OPD patients column, you can see patient details, assigned doctor, appointment date, OPD charges, and more. You can add a new OPD patient by clicking on the New OPD Patient button, filling in the details, and clicking Save. Now we will go to the Inventory tab. Here, you can see all the items required in the hospital. In item categories, you can see different categories of items. In items, you can see the products available in the hospital. In item stocks, you can view product quantities, purchase price, and purchase date. In issued items, you can see which items were issued, on which date, and in what quantity. You can add new entries in each section by clicking on the New button. Next, we will go to the Live Consultations tab. In the Live Consultations column, you can see online consultation details such as duration, patient name, doctor name, and these consultations are directly connected through Zoom calls. In the Live Meetings column, you can see meeting dates and times scheduled between hospital staff. Now we will go to the Medicine tab. Here, you can see different medicines along with their categories and brands. In the Categories column, you can see medicine categories and create new ones by clicking on the New Medicine Category button. In the Medicine Brands column, you can see different brands. In Purchased Medicine, you can see purchased medicine details. In Used Medicine, you can see which medicines are being used and from which date. In Medicine Bills, you can see medicine purchase details including patient name, doctor recommendation, and payment status. Now we will go to the Patient tab. From the Patients column, you can see patient details along with their phone number and blood group. To add a new patient, click on the Action button, select New Patient, fill in the details, and click Save. In the Cases column, you can see patient case IDs, assigned doctors, case dates, and fees. You can add a new case by clicking on the New Case button and filling in the details. In the Case Handlers tab, you can see case handler details along with their qualifications, and you can add new case handlers by clicking on the New Case Handler button. In the Patient Admission column, you can see patient admission details including admission date, discharge date, and insurance information. To add new admission details, click on the New Patient Admission button. In the Patient Smart Card Templates column, you can design patient smart cards by selecting which patient details you want to display. In the Generate Patient Smart Card section, you can download patient smart cards by clicking on the Download button in the Action column. Now we will go to the Pathology tab. In Pathology Tests you can see the details for patient's test along with the doctor and amount. In Pathology Categories, you can see test names along with their prices. You can add new categories by clicking on the New Pathology Category button and filling in the details. In Pathology Units, you can see different measurement units and add new ones by clicking on the New Pathology Unit button. In Pathology Parameters, you can see test components along with their reference ranges and add new parameters by clicking on the New Pathology Parameter button. Next, we will go to the Reports tab. In Operation Reports, you can see patient operation details along with doctor name and operation date. In Birth Reports, you can see birth details along with doctor name and date. In Death Reports, you can see death details along with doctor name and date. You can add new reports in each section by clicking on the New Report button. Now we will go to the Radiology tab. In Radiology Categories, you can see different radiology categories and add new ones by clicking on the New Radiology Category button. In Radiology Tests, you can see test name, test type, category, and charges. You can add new radiology tests by clicking on the New Radiology Test button. Next, we will go to the Service tab. Here, you can manage insurance, packages, ambulance services, and other hospital services. In Insurance, you can see insurance numbers, codes, and service tax details. In Packages, you can see hospital packages offered to patients and create new ones. In Services, you can see the services provided by the hospital and add new services by clicking on the New Service button. In Ambulance, you can see ambulance details and add new ambulances by clicking on the New Ambulance button. In Ambulance Calls, you can see patient details assigned to ambulances and create new ambulance calls by clicking on the New Ambulance Call button. Now we will go to the SMS and Mail tab. From the SMS section, you can send messages to multiple staff members at the same time. From the Mail section, you can send emails to specific email IDs. Next, we will go to the Settings tab. In the General section, you can add hospital details along with social media information. In Hospital Schedules, you can set hospital working hours. In Sidebar Settings, you can choose which tabs should be visible. In Payment Gateway Settings, you can select a payment gateway of your choice. In Currency Settings, you can add different currencies as per hospital requirements. In Custom Fields, you can select which fields you want to add for modules like appointments, OPD patients, and more. Now we will go to the Transaction tab. Here, you can see all hospital transaction details. Finally, we will go to the Vaccinations tab. In Vaccinated Patients, you can see details of patients who have been vaccinated. In the Vaccinations section, you can see vaccine names, manufacturers, and brand details. To add a new vaccine, click on the Action button and select New Vaccine. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.